Good morning, students. In today's lecture, I am going to discuss the numerical on collision. First question is, a ball of 0.1 kg makes an elastic head-on collision with a ball of unknown mass that is initially at rest. If the 0.1 kg ball rebounds at 1/3 of its original speed, what is the mass of the other ball? We want to calculate mass of the other ball. Let us suppose first ball mass is 0.1 kg, it is m1. m2 we want to calculate. And what is the velocity with which it is traveling? Let us suppose it is u. U is the velocity with which this mass m1, if you draw the diagram for this is m1. U is the velocity and m2, it is in the state of rest. It is in the state of rest means what is its speed? u1 is equal to u, you can write, and u2 is equal to 0. After collision, it is given to you the first ball. After collision, first ball rebounds. What is the velocity after collision? v1. It is equal to minus u by 3 because it is given to you after collision the first ball rebounds with the velocity of 1/3 of its initial velocity. जब rebound हुई तो direction क्या हो गई? Opposite. That's why I have taken here minus u by 3. Student, there is no need to find the velocity of second mass because it is not asked in the question. Now we know the formula. v1 is m1 minus m2 into u1 plus 2m2 u2 divided by m1 plus m2. Now we have v1. v1 is minus u by 3. m1 is 0.1 minus m2. u1 is u. This u2 आपका किस पे है? रेस्ट पे, सेकेंड मास. It is 0.1 plus m2. Right? Now this you will get after solving. Minus u by 3 is equal to 0.1 minus m2 into u divided by 0.1 plus m2. This u get cancel out. And when you solve it, minus 0.1 plus m2 is equal to 0.3 minus 3m2. After solving it, you will get it equal to 4m2 is equal to 0.4. Right? It is 4m2 divided by, this is plus and this is minus of, minus sign is there, so this is minus 0.5 minus m2. So it comes out to be plus 2m2. So m2 is 0.4 divided by 2. So it is 0.2 kg. Right? Now in the next question, a body of mass m at rest is struck by a moving body of mass m. A body of capital mass m at rest is struck by a body of mass m. So we can suppose this is a m1 whose mass is m, and second body is m2 whose mass is capital M, and u2 is equal to 0. Prove that the fraction of the kinetic energy transferred to the struck body is, आप ये इससे collide हुई तो then it transfer its some energy to the second body. So after collision we have to find m1 is m, u1 is equal to u, right? Initial velocity is this, m2 is capital M, and u2 is equal to 0. So you have to prove that fraction of the initial kinetic energy of mass transferred to the struck body. तो अब initial kinetic energy of body क्या होगा? Initial kinetic energy of body is, because only one body is there which is moving, that is half of m into u square. This is equation number 1. You can mark this as E1. Right? Now kinetic energy of the body struck after collision. अब पहले आप इसकी क्या निकालेंगे? Velocity. What is the velocity of second body after collision? कैसे निकालेंगे? You know the formula. v2 is equal to 2m1 u1 plus m2 minus m1 into u2 divided by m1 plus m2. ये तो 0 पे था तो this term becomes 0. तो v2 is equal to 2m into u divided by m1 plus m2. So what is the kinetic energy of second body? Struck body. जिसको आपने स्ट्रक किया था E2 इज इक्वल टू half of m2 into v2 square. You will put this value here. You will get half of m2 into, what is m? Capital M. What is m2? Capital M. v2 is 4m square u square divided by m1 plus m2 m plus capital M. ये क्या आ जाएगा? m plus capital M. m plus capital M square. Now we have to find the ratio of E, fraction of kinetic energy. You have to calculate E1 by E2. E1 by E2 calculate करोगे तो E1 कितना आ गया आपके पास? half of M into U square. And what is this? half of capital M into 4M square into U square divided by M plus M whole square. Student, you have to solve it. This is E1 by E2. So here you have to take its reciprocal. We have calculate E1 by E2. फ्रैक्शन ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी जब ट्रांसफ़र करोगे, इसको सॉल्व करने के बाद आपके पास ये आ जाएगा, दिस गेट कैंसिल आउट, दिस गेट कैंसिल आउट, इट इज़ m प्लस कैपिटल M होल स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाय 4m इंटू कैपिटल M. लेकिन आपको फाइंड आउट करना है E2 बाय E1. तो E2 बाय E1 कितना आ जाएगा? दिस इज 4m डिवाइड बाय m प्लस कैपिटल M होल स्क्वायर. Right, student? I think it is clear to all of you. Now the next question is a billiard ball A. This is a collision in 2 dimension. A billiard ball A moving with an initial speed of 1 meter per second undergoes a perfectly elastic collision with another identical ball B at rest. A is scattered through an angle of 30. What is the angle of recoil of B? What is the speed of ball A after collision? स्टूडेंट सबसे पहले आपको इसमें A बॉल है, डायग्राम ड्रॉ करिए. दिस इज बॉल A मूविंग विद द स्पीड ऑफ 1 मीटर पर सेकेंड. 1 मीटर पर सेकेंड. सेकेंड बॉल इज इन द स्टेट ऑफ रेस्ट. M2 इज इन द स्टेट ऑफ रेस्ट. तो अब आपको दिया है A is scattered through an angle of, this is A, mass M1, it gets scattered through an angle of 30 degree. And it gets scattered through an angle that we have to find. This is angle of recoil. This is mass. Second ball. This is M2. This is M1. So what is the speed of the ball after collision? Student, ये आपका question है. कौन सा? Elastic collision in 2 dimension. Right? और दोनों के masses identical balls है, तो masses क्या है? दोनों के same. Masses are same. M1 equal to M2 is equal to M. Right? अब हमने पढ़ा था identical ball में ये 5 प्लस 30 डिग्री किसके इक्वल होगा? 90. तो 5 कितना आ गया? 60 डिग्री. ये टोटल सम कितना होगा? 90. राइट. नाउ टू कैलकुलेट V1. ये V1 इज द वेलोसिटी ऑफ फर्स्ट बॉडी, V2 इज द वेलोसिटी ऑफ सेकेंड. नाउ आई वांट टू कैलकुलेट इट कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम. अकॉर्डिंग टू कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम along x-axis. तो बिफोर कोलिजन इस मास का m इंटू 1 और सेकेंड मास इज इन द स्टेट ऑफ रेस्ट इज इक्वल टू m. आप इसको रिजॉल्व करो. दिस इज V1 cos 30, दिस इज m इंटू V1 cos 30 एंड प्लस m इंटू V2 cos ऑफ 60 डिग्री. तो आपके पास ये आ जाएगा m गेट कैंसिल आउट. सो 1 इज इक्वल टू V1 cos 30 is √3/2. m get cancel out. This is V2 cos 60 is 1/2. This is equation number 1. Along y-axis, if you apply the conservation, resolve it. This is यहाँ कौन सा आएगा? V1 sin 30 और यहाँ क्या आएगा? V2 sin 60 degree. So it is 0 is equal to m into V1 sin of 30 degree minus, it is in downward direction, minus m into V2 into sin of 60 degree. तो यहाँ से आपके पास जो इक्वेशन आएगी, दिस इज V1 sin 30 is 1/2 minus V2 √3/2 is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. On solving 1 and 2, आप 1 और 2 को सॉल्व करेंगे. सॉल्व 1 and 2. V1 comes out to be √3/2 meter per second. Right. And similarly, you can calculate the value of V2 also. V2 भी आप निकाल सकते हो. I think it is clear to all of you. Thank you. In the next video, I am discussing few more questions.